Hello, today I will show you how to access factory mode in your Motorola One. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now press and hold the power key again and select restart. Now, once the screen goes black, press the power key and the volume down key both at the same time. Let's wait for the screen to go black first. And now we're pressing both buttons at the same time. And just like that, we are in the fast boot menu. Now using the volume up and volume down keys, we select the factory mode and confirm our selection by pressing the power key. And now our phone restarted into the factory mode option. In this option, no third-party apps will be enabled and the device is used only in factory optional settings. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.